going to the Philippines. At LAX now. Josh! Hi Josh!
Passenger Thornton, John Cho, Morgan McCurry.
Nature's handmade cheese. We always go to this place, Border Grill. This is a Cambladi. Hi Josh!
So we have.
We're here at this place. What we're having coffee, and then husband is having the sandwich. I'm having the almond croissant. Chris is having the chocolate chip cookie.
I'm having strawberry lemonade.
Yes. And then croissant, regular croissant, and then regular croissant.
We're now flying to Hong Kong International, our connecting city, and our final destination is Manila, landing at Manila International Airport.
Super excited. Almost.
Continue and at the moving rock. Please exit with care.
That's our plane. Yes. Let's go, Josh.
Kobe, Kenneth, Edward, Kathleen, Victoria, Lee.
We're at the LAX. Here's our lunch. We have the beef and potatoes, bread, and then the shrimp salad. And then I have to eat the juice. The juice is only good on the plane. We have ice cream, cheese. Dinner, I'm having sweet and sour pork and has fruits, and then the dessert. And Josh is having chicken stroganoff. And then same thing. And the husband is also having some pork like mine. The haircut like.
Hi guys, where are you guys at? JD, hi mommy.
Old Town. Oh, this looks yummy. Old Town. This is a restaurant eating here at Yongki. We're waiting for our food here at Yongki. Going to gate 69. Daddy.
For our flight to Manila.
Hi Josh. We're on our way to gate 69. Now we're going to Manila. excited. This charger is a bit outdated.
We're about to take off for Manila International Airport.
We're boarding for Manila now. The second leg of the trip, going to Manila from Hong Kong to Manila.
Is your in-flight services manager, Doodle. Shortly, Doodle and her team will be showing you this aircraft safety demonstration. Please give it your full attention. We're just about ready up the front. All the passengers are boarding. We're just waiting for the last connecting bags to be loaded, and then we'll be on the way. The flight time, once we're airborne, 1 hour and 33 minutes. We're expecting mostly smooth flight. We'd like to remind you that even when the seatbelt signs are up, please keep your belts loosened.
We're pulling out of our gate from Hong Kong International. As you can see, the window is wet. It's a rainy night in Hong Kong.
There's the view from Hong Kong to Manila. I think it's raining in Manila. There you go, look at the lightning. 10 minutes to landing.
It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items inside may fall out. And kindly take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Mobile devices may now be switched on. With the rollout of e-travel customs system by the Bureau of Customs, all arriving and departing passengers can now fill out the electronic customs baggage declaration form and currencies declaration form. Passengers are required to present their passports and QR code to the customs officer for clearance. If you are bringing in foreign or Philippine currency or monetary instruments exceeding 10,000 US dollars or 50,000 Filipino pesos, you're required to declare via electronic currencies declaration form. False declaration or non-declaration of the above will result to confiscation by customs authorities. More information can be found in the baggage claim area. If you have any questions, please approach the customs officer upon arrival. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. If Manila is home, a warm welcome home.
In Manila now. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to Manila.
It's already.
Ito po yung mga taga-sample na
Why guys? We're in Manila now. Sige ko na lima sila.
Traveling time 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, mabilis lang now.
Mabilis lang ma'am kasi
Gabi na eh. So, late na no?
First
Ang
time
tagal ng
namin
ano.
mag-uwi ng ganito. Usually, either maga o tanghali.
Ang tagal kasi ng x-ray. Yung sa luggages,
Opo, ma'am,
sobrang
yung-
tagal.
Tapos yung sa Buti sa immigration niya ito, mabilis-bilis.
Sa immigration, sobrang bilis. Daan ka lang
okay. Yung sa luggage.
Yung sa luggage, kasi na-x-ray nila isa-isa.
Tapos dito sa kabilang itong sidewalk na to, papuntang Glorieta, pwede.
Papa, dito, lakad lang po. Na po, dito sa landmark, tapos pag-lumber. So, dito na po tayo. Makati Shamila.
Hi, Josh. I'll try to check it in.